Coming to the next topic in our chapter electricity is electric circuits and circuit diagrams. Electric circuits and circuit diagrams. So whatever, let us discuss about electric circuit. So a cell can make electrons move and electric current flow, but there must be a conducting path. Without conducting path, a cell or a battery cannot make the electrons move and the electric current cannot flow. Between the two terminals of the cell through which the electrons can move and causes electric current. So a continuous conducting path consisting of wires and other resistance like a bulb and a switch between the two terminals of the cell or a battery along which an electric current flows is called an electric circuit. Means circuit is the path to move the electrons and can flow the electric current. As we discussed, cell or a battery can move the electrons and electric current is flow through the flow. To that, between the two terminals, we have to use some other components or the other substances, other resistance like a bulb, a switch. So this resistance of bulb and switch is connected with a metallic conductor. So when a cell or a battery is connected with the other components like key or switch, bulb, between the two terminals of a battery. So this is called as an electric circuit. So when we did not on the switch, then we can say that open circuit means in this case the circuit is not closed, not completed. So whenever we switch on the key, then now what will happen? A path is completed. So path completed, then electrons can flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal and the bulb is closed. This is the closed circuit because the circuit means the path of electric current is arranged by closing the key. By opening the key, the path is opened. So current cannot flow here. Then the current can flow here. So that's why the bulb is closed. So it is very easy to understand. No problem. Then coming to some important electric symbols, some electric components or the circuit symbols. We have to use some symbols in an electric circuit and for different components, for different electrical components. So as pictures are given in your textbook, but here I will write some of electric symbols. I will write here some symbols for electrical components. Symbols for electronic components. So as we know, this is a cell. if the combination of two or more cells is called as a battery. Is called as battery. The combination of two or more symbols. A cell is represented with only one symbol, plus and longer terminal and shorter terminal, positive terminal and the negative terminal as only. A battery is a combination of two or more cells connected in a series. The symbol for single cell is one is long vertical line, one is short vertical line. Long vertical line represent positive terminal, short vertical line represent negative terminal. These two or more cells are connected in a line in a series. Then we can say that they are battery. So a battery is the combination of two or more cells connected in a series. In order to obtain a battery, right? Then connecting wire. So if you write this line, that is a connecting wire. Connecting wire. Then resistance. Here I am going to some important one. So this is the symbol for resistance. That is the symbol for resistance. Fixed resistance. So variable resistance. This is for variable resistance. This is for variable resistance. Or sometimes this is also drawn like this. Variable resistance. Then ammeter, voltmeter, ammeter, voltmeter, plus minus, ammeter, voltmeter. Then we have one more device used to detect the electric current. You will learn about this device in higher studies or the next chapter in electromagnetism. So that is galvanometer. That is called galvanometer. Is a device which is used to determine the electric current. Electric current. Then this represents the closed part of electric circuit. This represents the open part of electric circuit. Right? Electric bulb. Sometimes we can represent with like this. Electric bulb. Electric bulb. So all are there. All are given in your, all the symbols are given in your textbook, no problem. So easy to understand also. So symbols for electric components. Symbols for electric components. So from using these electric symbols, you can draw a circuit diagrams. You can draw a circuit diagrams. So what is a circuit diagram? A diagram which indicates how different components, how the cell, battery, resistors, ammeters, switches, bulb, voltmeter, galvanometer are arranged in a circuit, have been connected by using the electric symbols for components is called as a circuit diagram. So we can represent a circuit diagram. We can draw a circuit diagram by using the various symbols of electrical components such as a cell, battery, ammeter, voltmeter, electric switch, closed path or opened path, resistors, metallic or conductor or represent the arrangement the arrangement of all the electric components by using their symbols in a diagram. Simply we can say that electric circuit diagram. Electric circuit diagram. So for example, you can represent a cell or a battery. A cell or a battery. So this is a circuit diagram, plus minus battery. So this is represent closed path. Closed path. Then the bulb close. Then the bulb close. So direction, in which direction the flow of electric current I am using as conventionally the flow of electric current is from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Actually the flow of charges are electric current from negative terminal to the positive terminal. Right, this is circuit diagram. For example, in other example we can consider. So plus minus, okay, here ammeter is connected, voltmeter is connected, and this is a resistor or any object, any material which is called as resistor. So here resistance, here it is resistance, and V voltmeter, ammeter, battery or cell is key. It is the key, right? So this is also one of the electric circuit diagram. So by using the symbols of various electric components, so with help of these symbols of various electric components, whenever we represent the connection, how these electrical components are connected in a circuit. So the diagram is called as a circuit diagram. So now while discussing about electricity, there must be some electric circuit diagram. So while drawing the circuit diagrams, we need to remember the symbols of various electrical components: battery, ammeter, voltmeter, resistance, various variable resistance, rheostats. So maybe if you are in your school, if you have the science lab, so in the science lab your teachers may be able to show you all the electrical components, electric plugs, switches, resistors, rheostats, ammeters, voltmeters, right, electric bulbs. So the mother also will showcase in your school by your subject teachers. So this is the another part of our chapter electricity, but we can discuss electric circuits. So we discussed introduction, then electric currents and electric circuits. So thank you so much. So I hope you understand. So please read your textbook, as earlierly I gave some instructions to you. So please follow the instructions which are given by me or by your teachers in your school. Make it habit to read your textbook compulsory. practice that symbols of electrical components. So because of you remembered during the examination while drawing the circuit diagrams, as well practice the circuit diagrams, remember the formulas of potential difference, electric current, then some important points regarding to the direction of electric current. So all are the very important to memorize. Please read your textbook compulsory and make it habit.